Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MVIS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another very rough day on this one, in fact, was a gap and trap this morning, meaning the price right there on Tuesday closed, up there, open, so hence a gap up, and then after that, just basically straight down. So truly a savage day. First update that does need to be made, though, comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So this area right there at $14.70 was that level of support moving forward, but now that the price is broken down below it, that would be one of the newest areas of resistance. But the most relevant level of resistance, in my opinion at least, is down there at that $14 mark, meaning yes, all those other areas are still levels of resistance. I'm just saying that it's not really worthwhile thinking about them or talking about them or putting too much focus on them as long as the price is still down below that $14 mark. So keep an eye on 14, as that'll be that first main, kind of progress point, if you will, in terms of does any sort of bounce have any sort of legitimate strength? Well, let's see if the price can actually stay above and, break above that 14 mark. Now, as far as levels of support, so if this downwards drift continues, where are some of these next potential areas where buyers may step back in? First key level to watch, going to be down there at the $13 mark. And then let's see, make sure I'm not. Yeah, and then after $13, next key level, not until down there right around, $12.25. So, there's definitely some space here for that opens up the door to, continue downside bleeding. Not just because the price may break through that 13 doesn't mean it's going to shoot down to $12.25 within 2 minutes. But like I said, technically speaking, there are some spaces between these areas of support. But yeah, all in all, any way you look at it, the bears seem to be just picking up that much more momentum. So we'll see how this one plays out on Thursday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.